Today we'll be finding the Mellin transform of 1 over 1 plus x squared. To start off, we could recall the definition of a Mellin transform. So the Mellin transform of a function f of x is the integral from 0 to infinity of x to the s minus 1 power times f of x dx. And we're interested in the case when f of x is 1 over 1 plus x squared. So the Mellin transform of 1 over 1 plus x squared, following the definition, is the integral from 0 to infinity of x to the s minus 1 power divided by 1 plus x squared dx. From here, we could follow up with a substitution. So we could let u equal x squared, which means that u to the 1/2 is equal to x, which also means that dx is 1 over 2 u to the 1/2 du, and that x to the s minus 1 is u to the s minus 1 over 2, and that the bounds of integration don't change, it's still from 0 to infinity. So the Mellin transform of 1 over 1 plus x squared is the integral from 0 to infinity of u to the s minus 1 over 2 power divided by 1 plus u times 1 over 2 u to the 1/2 du. We can rewrite this as Mellin transform of 1 over 1 plus x squared is 1/2 the integral from 0 to infinity of u to the s minus 1 over 2 times u to the negative 1/2 divided by 1 plus u du. We could combine these exponents. We have that the Mellin transform of 1 over 1 plus x squared is 1/2 the integral from 0 to infinity of u to the s minus 2 over 2 divided by 1 plus u du. And recall the definition of the beta function, that the beta of m comma n is defined to be the integral from 0 to infinity of u to the m minus 1 power divided by 1 plus u to the m plus n du. So if you compare the coefficients, we have that s minus 2 over 2 is equal to m minus 1, and that m plus n is equal to 1. So if we solve for m, we have m is s minus 2 over 2 plus 1, and that n equals 1 minus m, which is going to be s over 2. So we have that the Mellin transform 1 over 1 plus x squared is 1/2 the beta function of m, which is s over 2, and n, which is 1 minus s over 2. And we'll use the identity that beta of z and 1 minus z is pi cosecant of pi z. So the Mellin transform of 1 over 1 plus x squared is 1/2 pi cosecant of pi z, where z is evaluated at s over 2. So Mellin transform of 1 over 1 plus x squared is pi over 2 cosecant of pi s over 2. And this is the final result. Thank you very much for watching.